There's been several videos I've seen lately on some of the channels I follow on staplers, whether they're mainly electric staplers, but I wanted to share my personal favorite stapler, the Bostitch negative 3000 and a half. This is a pocket size stapler that uses blank or clear staples to adhere paper material together. The Bostitch negative 3002 and a half is actually is 100% silent. You don't hear anything. What I like about it is you can use it anywhere, any place, anytime. You can even staple your fingers together, and it doesn't hurt, and you can't even see the staple, and you don't have to go to the hospital. For example, let's take a look at this. See? Perfect every time. Very perfect. So the Bostitch negative 3000 and a half is what I recommend for commercial, residential, educational applications. You can't go wrong, you can't get hurt, and it goes through every single time. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.